Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be explaining how I implemented this small feature using React Native maps and dependency. So as you can see here, I'm drawing a polyline. This is called a polyline. So you can follow the line. And this, as you can see, is a very big polyline. Yeah, it ended here in Demirtras. Yeah, so it's tracing a line from one point to another point, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, I've been working in this. Yeah, the first step is to install the React Native Maps dependency. I'm using the map view component here and also the polyline component, so you have to import both, right? Yeah, that's the first step. Here, as you can see in map view, I'm passing some styles by default here. As you can see, styles.map, and I'm using these styles. And here I have an initial region. This initial region comes from the state. And here I have defined a default initial region, so you can take a look at that, or you can change that information and put the information you needed or you want. So yeah, that's the first step, right? So yeah, if you are wondering how to install this dependency because it's a little tricky, you can go to my channel and check the previous video. I think I have the link here. Let me take a look. Yeah, here I created a playlist. So this is the installation process, the setup process, using the 0.21.0 version of React Native Maps. So yeah, that's the first step. Install the dependency. After that, you just import the components. And here, once the component did mount, I'm calling this function is an async function, as you can see, and I'm passing, or I'm initializing the start location and end location. These are some some points that I'm going to use here. They are like directions, yeah, right, that you can pass to the to this API. And I was reading this article here. You can check it. Yeah, and there is an API called Google Directions. It's a API service, and if we go there, let's go there and check it out. Here there is a URL, and in this URL basically you can pass the origin and also the destination, right? And also your API key. If you don't have any API key, you can just click here, and it will show you how to do that, right? So you can just click here and get a key. Yeah, after that it will ask you for the project name, so you have to select a project name. If you don't have any project created before, you just press here the create a new project option, right? And create the project, and after that you get the key. So yeah, once you get the key, you have to but I will talk about later. Okay, right now I'm going to explain this. So I'm using the Google Directions API service, as you can see. So here there is a direction, a URL, and I just pasted that URL here. And this is my API key. This is just for test. I will change that API key, so don't worry, or don't try to use that because it will fail for you. So go ahead and create your own project and your own API key. Okay. So the next step is try to convert the response from this fetch to yeah, we basically here we are just getting the response, right, as a JSON object. So yeah, here we have the JSON object, and we are going to decode the polynie data, because as the article explains here, we receive something like this, a very long and strange line of characters. So you have to decode that line, so right. So that is what I'm doing here, and here I have my response JSON. I have the roads, and in the position 0, sorry. And let's take a look so we can have a better idea what we are doing here, right? So let's console log this response JSON. Okay, as you can see here, we have some roads. We are getting some roads, right? So the first step is to start to assign a start location, and also assign an end location, and pass those locations to the Google API service, right? Direction service. And after that, we get the response. We get the response as JSON. So as you can see, we have a JSON here. Yeah, this is a JSON. I have some properties, and the property that we need to use is the routes property here, and in the position 0. And also we need the overview polynie property, which is this one. As you can see, there is a yeah, there is a very big string with some strange characters. So you have to decode that, right? So let me look. Let me minimize this. So yeah, there is that line corresponds to the points that we're going to use to draw this polyline here in the map. So yeah, right now here we have the points, and after that we're going to convert to extract the the latitude and the longitude. So yeah, let's console log this as well, so you can see what is going on here. So let's take a look to this. Okay, I'm going to return this. Let's console this. So we're missing a parenthesis here. Yeah, point. Let's take a look what is going on with this point, right? So let's go here. Okay, we're printing out all the points, as you can see here. These are all the points that we get when we pass the start location and end location, right? So yeah, it's pretty interesting, pretty cool. Yeah. So those, all of them are going to be drawn in the map, as you can see here. So yeah, that's the other step. So right now we have a general idea about what are we doing here. We are just extracting the latitude and the longitude. And yeah, let's revert this code. Okay. And right now here I'm just setting that and set the chords in the state. So I'm setting the all the chords in the state, and yeah, that's all. And I'm wrapping this code into within a try cache, because remember that we are using await. And yeah, we have an async function. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. Yeah, we are setting the chords in the state. As you can see here, I have an array which is empty by default. And here right now I'm setting the values that I'm getting from the service. And after that, I'm using the polyline component here, and in this component I'm just passing some properties. As you can see, there is a property called coordinates, and these coordinates correspond to the coordinates that I just fetched from the API. And here I have the straight color, which is this one, which is this color, and this is a stroke width. So you can maybe put something like 5. The line will be more. We have a different width, right? So let me show you that in a moment. As you can see, the line is wider, so it has yeah, the width has changed. So that's pretty much that this property is about. So yeah, also here I have a hello, which is this one. Here I'm just planning to put in the position of the hello. I'm planning to point something like let's check. Let's try something here. I'm planning to put something like something like a view with a, I don't know, with a background, and within this background I'm planning to put for example a button to fetch my current location, because I'm going to fetch the current location. Yeah, let's try something here and let's see what happens. Background color, and let's put, for example, something like 3, 4, 5, 6 with a white background color. Yeah, here let's put something like, we can use a text here. Yeah, and here fetch. Oh my gosh. Also, I think we are going to set up a width here, for example 50, and also a height. Yeah, let's refresh this and let's check what happened with our map. Okay. Oh my god, I don't know why. What is this? Looks the same. Should be refreshed. Oh my gosh. Here my screen, I'm watching another thing. Let me reboot this. Sorry about that. So I'm going to exit this. Yeah, I'm going to join the conference in my device again. But I don't know, I'm also having some trouble, and whenever I change something, the map sometimes crashes, or just the application just closed itself. So we need to, let me look for the code again. I'm going to create another conference here. Okay. Yeah, looks like the conference has over, so that's why. So I'm going to join to another conference here. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's share the screen. Start now. Oh yeah, awesome. So let's go back to our map. And yeah, as you can see here at the top left of the screen, we have the fetch your position. And yeah, we can do whatever we want here in this. I'm planning to put a button, but yeah, I will record that later. So yeah, my idea is to fetch my current location. Yeah, and just try to use my current location to move myself in the map, something like that. I don't know. I'm just figuring out what to implement here. So as you can see, the width of the line has changed, and it is because we changed this value here. But if we set up 2 as value again, we will see the change in the map, right? So we have a new polyline here that has been drawn. Yeah, that's all. That's all, guys, in this tutorial. I will be playing with this map a little bit more, so I will record more videos. So see ya, guys.